Did a software update break the Login Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get localized login orchestration running again. To begin our login library troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the Login Library, a generic localized Login UI and Auth module. It manages localized, unmanaged, localized credential, localized collection, and localized secure localized token handshakes for localized application localized login screens. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. The Login Library DLL library is a specialized component of the localized login orchestration system, and you must reinstall the program you are trying to open to restore the internal file structure if this file is missing. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the login library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. The version of Login Library DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. Review options for a smoother Windows environment by consulting the diagnostic kit linked below for Login Library references. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Login Library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.